Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. For those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am going to do a little taste test on this tomato. I cannot pronounce it. I have not been able to pronounce it. Wapsipinicon peach. This is what it looks like. And I think they are calling it a peach because it feels a little like fuzzy to the touch. Doesn't feel smooth like a regular tomato. And they get a little bit of different sizes, but they don't have the shine, you know, of a basic regular tomato. How the tomato shine. Doesn't look like that, but it grows the same way. But the bush of the plant actually looks a little different as well. I put a clip of it in here from my garden tour, but that tomato plant that I couldn't think of what it was. I said it's like peach. That's what it is. Why I can't pronounce that, y'all. It's that. So I have two of them, but this is what it looks like. So we're gonna see what it actually tastes like. I picked these yesterday. They take forever. They've been taking forever to turn this peachy color. They just stay green forever. No, are they green? I don't know what color they are. I think they're green, but let's bite it open. Does not have a peach taste at all. Not one drop. A little moist. You could use these in your sauces. You don't have a tremendous amount of seeds. But they're decent. It kind of remind me of the yellow pear tomato, the flavor of it. No, hold on. I can't remember if I washed these off, but these are the yellow pear. They're pretty much this year they can get huge, and they're orange. More orange looking than yellow. But they give me the taste of that. There's a difference in the color, but they're still yellowish orange. And they kind of taste like that to me. But I just wanted to come on and give you guys a taste test for these because I've only seen one person that was growing these last year. That's what made me buy them, because I thought they were going to taste like a peach. They don't, but they're not bad. I grow them again because I think they'll be good at making my tomato sauce, because I mix all kinds of tomatoes in my tomato sauce. I don't just use paste tomatoes. I use whatever tomato I grow. I cook it and make it with my potato sauce, and I just cook it down longer to thicken it up. And sometimes I put vegetables in it as well to help thicken it, especially if I have some okra powder that I made. Link that up there, how you make okra powder from your okra that's a little bit woody. You can make powder to use it as a thickener in whatever you're cooking. So that's what I have. So anywho, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. If you have any questions, please link it below. Again, those came from in my gardener. Can't pronounce it. That's the name. And yeah, thank you for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.